Dealing with repairs is part of owning a vehicle. Even if you take great pains in taking care of your car, some scenarios like road conditions, bad weather, or the behaviors of other drivers are just hard to avoid. One thing you do have control over is where you bring your damaged vehicle for repairs. Established in 1979, Anchor Autobody has been in a league of its own in Sunnyvale, California. We utilize the best technology, equipment, and materials to provide our customers a top quality repair and finish. We are independently rated highest in quality, and all work done on your vehicle undergoes a rigorous quality control process before we hand you back the keys. Apart from our dedication to our craft, our award-winning customer service is also delivered with a sense of warmth, friendliness, professionalism, and team spirit. We take time to listen to our customers' concerns and make sure that they understand what's involved in the repair process. Be part of our growing community of happy customers.